Aron Saether Jackson, CEO and co-founder of Allied Corporation. Today, I'm here to share some big news. We just signed an agreement with the NRTC of Pakistan, the National Radio Telecommunications Corporation, to manufacture Chromebooks for Allied inside Pakistan. Recently, we just announced another agreement with the Ministry of Education. What this means is that 500,000 Chromebooks will be made available to students in Pakistan through Google and Allied and Tech Valley through to the ministry. Now those devices will be manufactured by Pakistanis in Pakistan, thanks to the NRTC's world-class facilities that Allied will take advantage of. So it's a big announcement. We're very excited. We're excited about an investment into Pakistan. We're excited about the opportunity that it not only gives the students in Pakistan, but now the people that will be employed to manufacture, produce these Chromebooks inside Pakistan. So it's a big announcement. I'd like to thank the SAFC, the STZR, and of course the ministry for their support in helping make this partnership happen. It's a very exciting day for Allied, and we look forward to seeing the results of this fantastic partnership. Thank you.